It is therefore lifting that we convene here in Kathmandu, a city and culture shaped by centuries of resilience, vision, and hope, to consider the future of eye health in a world of rapid change. Today, we do not gather to speak of eye health in isolation, but to recognize it as a central force in shaping the broader arc of women development, from poverty reduction and education to gender equality and economic growth. Nepal's own journey reflects this truth. As a nation, deeply committed to the SDGs, we have made significant strides to ensure that no one is left behind, especially those at risk of losing their sight. In recent years, we have achieved key milestones. We completed the rapid assessment of avoidable blindness in 2022, creating a robust evidence base to guide our national priorities. Using this data, we set bold targets in our health sector, a strategic plan 2023 to 2030, including to 70% by 2030. We know that ambition alone is not enough. We must pair this with integration and innovation. That is why Nepal endorsed a new national eye health strategy, prioritizing the integration of eye health into our primary healthcare system and essential services. Eye health is no longer seen as a vertical program. It is part of our public health infrastructure. We are committed to translating this into action. We have introduced school-based vision screening and launched a school nurse program that includes eye health as a core component of student well-being, advancing both gender equality and access to education in line with SDGs 4 and 5. We have conducted a nationwide assessment using the WHO SAT second tool and are now integrating eye health into our national health insurance program, reducing financial barriers and increasing quality of access. Most critically, we are embedding eye health indicators into our national health management information system, making it a core metric of progress. Ladies and gentlemen, these are not small efforts. They are part of a larger recognition that eye health is development. Without clear sight, a child may drop out of school. A parent may be unable to care for their family, placing the burden onto others. An elder may lose independence. A worker may lose livelihood. These realities ripple across our economy, our education system, and our communities. Eye health directly and indirectly impacts across most of the sustainable development goals, from ending poverty and hunger to reducing inequalities and promoting climate resilience. In Nepal, we have included eye health in our voluntary national review for precisely this reason. We see the evidence, we see the urgency, and that which gets measured gets done. we also see the opportunity. The eye health sector is rich with innovation. From new diagnostics and treatment delivery models to partnership that bridge health, technology and development. But we must do more to scale and sustain these innovations where they are needed most. We must also ensure that these efforts are inclusive. Let think gathering reaffirm our collective commitment to equity and to ensuring that vision is a right, not a privilege. But Nepal cannot walk this path alone, nor can any country. This is why the world must come together, not in words, but in unity, action, and shared responsibility. And so, today, I am proud to reaffirm Nepal's full support for the 2026 Global Summit for IL. This summit will serve as a vital platform to galvanize global and national action to end avoidable sight loss and ensure that everyone, everywhere, has access to quality eye care. With attention and resources being pulled in every direction, we are conscious that efforts need to be reduced in order that we don't lose this golden opportunity to develop this agenda and ensure eye health remain a priority. Nepal is committed to being part of this journey. We will contribute our experiences, our partnerships, and our political will to support the success of this global movement. Excellencies, friends, as we look to the decade ahead and the final stretch towards the Sustainable Development Goals, we are called to a greater ambition to match our promises with action and our shared values with lasting results. The path to 2030 may be complex, but our direction is clear. Let us work together to realize a world where every person, regardless of income, geography, age, or gender, can access the eye care they need to thrive. Nepal stands ready to collaborate, to learn, and to lead. Together, let us make 2030 not just a deadline, but a turning point towards a future that is more inclusive, more equitable, and more visible. Thank you.